quick unboxing of from Tesla. It's a new product, pretty new. It's the Tesla wireless portable charger. We wrapped it in bubble wrap in a box. The nice little box that comes with it. Alright. Very nice, pretty thick, about 3/4 of an inch thick. Is the USB charger port, and let's see how you open this sucker. Oh, it's over here, but oh, here we go. So this is how it is on the desk. Magnetic charger. You can put another item in the back. Yeah, very nice. So a little instruction packet. Care packet. That's it. Okay, very nice. Gonna check it out, test it out.